Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 Feline. It's this car we've taken in part exchange, and it comes with full service history with Howard's. It features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. It also has this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got this lovely half leather interior. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter, and the car is just £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre EHDI engine that gives you 115 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 29,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.